Hello guys, Happy New Year 2021 and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be preparing goat head stew. We'll be using red, yellow and green bell pepper, onions, tomatoes and coriander. We'll also be using tomato paste, black pepper, soy sauce, mixed spices, turmeric, garam masala, ginger spice, royco mchuzi mix, salt, ginger and garlic. I bought my goat head meat from the butcher, already boiled and sliced. Into the preheated pot, add in the cooking oil, then the onions. Fry until translucent. This will take about a minute and a half. Add in the minced garlic and cook for about 10 seconds. Add in the minced ginger and continue cooking for an additional 10 seconds as you continue stirring. Add in the tomatoes and cook for about 2 minutes till the tomatoes produce the juices and are very soft. I place the lid on to fasten the cooking time by retaining the heat inside. Add in the tomato paste and let it cook for about 20 seconds as you mix to make sure it's incorporated well to the other ingredients. Mix all the spices well and cook for about half a minute. Add in the soy sauce and cook for a few seconds, that is about 10 to 15 seconds. Add the goat head meat, stir very well and let it cook for about a minute. We do not want to overcook it since it was already boiled. Add the red, yellow and green bell pepper. Cook for just half a minute so as to retain its taste and shape. Add 3 cups of hot water. I made sure that no spice is taken to my royco. Add in a cup at a time while stirring to avoid turning the stew into soup. After mixing everything well, cover the pot and let it cook for about half a minute, occasionally stirring. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Switch off the gas, add in the diced coriander. Serve the stew with rice, matoke, ugali, chapati, even with bread.